Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to walk you through how to use Hubstaff as an employer. So from setting up your account, managing your team, tracking productivity, and even gathering payroll reports. So here, either you're managing a report team, freelancers, or in-house staff, this Hubstaff is an incredible tool to track time, monitor projects, and keep everyone on the same page. So the first thing you need to do here is to create an account. Head over to hubstaff.com and click on Start Free Trial, guys. So here, guys, you'll be able to see here, you need to enter your first name, your last name, and your work email. So here, guys, they maximize productivity here. So here, guys, will be directly landed on the dashboard after logging in, creating an organization. So once you've signed up, the first step is to set up your organization. So what we need to do here is to first review activity, first subscribe to a report, review team insights, and approve a timesheet. And the second part is you need to, of course, get organized, get things ready for your team to work, pick projects, and create to-dos. And the last one is to manage team. Invite your team to start trying Hubstaff, create teams, and invite members. So here, guys, once you've signed up, the first step is to set up your organization. Click on create organization and you can give it a name. For example, to that one is digital marketing team. And right after that one is you need to choose the type of work you do here. So here are some of a summary of this website. So by clicking on this one, the dashboard, you'll be able to see here all of the activities. So clicking on this timesheets, guys. So here we can view this one and you'll be able to see here that here you can review your team's time with timesheet approvals. So here you can see manual time, activity, and screenshots and decide what goes to payroll here. So here, guys, you'll be able to see that one. And the next part is the activity. So as you can see here, let's try to tap on that one. And right now, here you'll be able to see your screenshots. So as you can see here, your team has not tracked any time. So here, guys, you can invite some team members. You can go to the team tab and click invite members here. So you can add your roles like manager, employee, or viewer. So the Hubstaff will send an invitation and once accepted, they can start creating time. So here, guys, see which apps your team uses the most. So here, guys, what you need to do here is this integrates with tools like Trello, Asana, QuickBooks, and more. This means you can sync tasks and even automate invoicing directly from the Hubstaff. So again, guys, going back here on the time tracking, guys, on the project is set, your team can start tracking time. So the employees can download the Hubstaff desktop app or use the web version. All they need to do is select a project and hit start. The Hubstaff will automatically record the time and track activity. So here, guys, as an employer, you can monitor the activity by going again to the activity tab and you will see there the screenshots, the keystroke and mouse activity, and website and apps use. So here, guys, this gives you full transparency into how your team is spending their time. Great for keeping remote teams accountable. Here, guys, you can also enter each employee's hourly rate. You can choose how often they get paid, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. And in this website, the Hubstaff, they will calculate payments based on hours tracked, making payroll fast and accurate. So here, guys, reports are a game changer for managing productivity. Here we can go to the Reports tab and select time and activity. So you can filter by project, employee, and date range. This report shows total hours work and productivity levels. So you can see here, if you manage a field team, this website, the Hubstaff GPS tracking is a great tool. So the employees can clock in from their phones and you can track their location in real time. So as you can see here, on this feature, you can create your to-do here and here. You can also avail a plan here, guys. So here you'll be able to see here your billing information. So right after that one is tap on that settings, and here you'll be also see here before we end this video, guys, of course why you should use this website, right? So this is more than just a time tracker. So this is a complete workforce management. So here, guys, this will offer a 14-day free trial, but don't forget, guys, there is no credit card required in 14-day free trial. But of course, you need to avail a plan after your trial ends. So here, guys, you can also set your pay rates and automating payroll. Here you can get into settings pay rate and automating payroll. Go to the payroll and click setup. So choose how often payroll runs, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. And to automate payments, guys, you can connect your Hubstaff account to here. You'll be able to see here. As you can see here in this part, these payments, you just need to tap on that one. And on this part, guys, go to the integrations tab and connect your payment method. And the Hubstaff will automatically send payments based on time track. And if you need to bill clients, the Hubstaff can generate invoices directly. Go to invoices and click new invoice. So here, guys, select the project and time frame. The Hubstaff will pull time track and generate a detailed invoice for your client. And here, guys, in reporting, Hubstaff report section lets you analyze productivity. You can view total hours worked, project budgets, team performance, and of course, this helps track project and manage costs. And that's how you use Hubstaff to track time, manage payroll as an employer. If you found this video helpful, guys, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials on managing remote teams and productivity tools. Drop any questions in the comments, and of course, because I'm happy to help. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. I hope you learned something, and bye!